Hi everyone. Today we will explore the capabilities of Microsoft Copilot, which includes free image creation, free music creation with lyrics and much more. Continue to watch this full video which will give you the understanding of different type of Microsoft Copilot and its benefit. So let's begin. What is Copilot? Copilot is a chatbot that uses artificial intelligence to assist users with various tasks. It is integrated for and in with Microsoft platforms and products, providing a more interactive and efficient digital workspace. Microsoft offers a variety of Copilot assistants that can be adopted to enhance user productivity and creativity. Mainly, we can classify this into Copilot for Home and Copilot for Work. In Copilot for Home umbrella, there is 4 assistants. From that, Copilot in Bing and Copilot in Edge is browser-based assistants. Copilot in Windows is for Microsoft operating system. Currently, it is available in Windows 11 and some version of Windows 10. These 3 assistants are free, and due to that, there is some limitations. This limitation I will explain later in this video. Microsoft Copilot Pro breaks the free version limitation and adds cutting-edge AI to your favorite Microsoft 365 apps to help you unlock your creativity. In Copilot for Work, there is 6 assistants. From that, I like Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Security Copilot. It's not mean that other assistants I don't like. I like it. They are also good and give assistance based on their specialized field. I am having experience about 2 fields and how it's make my work easy made that statement. Also, Microsoft Copilot Studio is the main assistant, and through it, you can create and customize copilots using natural language or a graphical interface. You can visit the following URL to understand more about different types of copilots. You can select products and expand for home and for work and select each subcategories to get more information. Now we will explain Copilot, what it does and where you can use. As we mentioned before, Microsoft integrated Copilot into various platforms like Microsoft Edge, Bing, Office apps, etc. It serves as a conversational chat interface. You can use this chat prompt to search for a specific information, generate some text, create image, and write code, etc. Where we can use Copilot. The first place where we can use is the website. For this, you need to visit the web page copilot.microsoft.com. The second place where you can visit is the sidebar of the Windows operating system. The third is the Bing search and Bing mobile app. What is the interesting part here? In Bing search, you can switch between AI and regular search. The fourth one is the Bing web browser. Whatever the information which I am providing is based on my video recording date. Why I emphasize this? Because Copilot is adaptive and evolving. Don't forget, the technology behind is keeps changing and new features are added regularly. Now let us explore Copilot. Who want to get information fast or create unique content or things need to be done faster will use Copilot. With your free account, you can use Copilot in Edge browser, in mobile, and in operating systems like Windows, Mac. Also access GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo during non-peak times. As I know, if you need to use ChatGPT-4, you need to pay monthly. But Microsoft is giving GPT-4 as free. You need only a Microsoft account. You can use text, voice, and images in conversational search. Interesting, isn't it? My one of the upcoming video is related to this, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, you can generate AI images, but there are some limitations. Per day, 15 boosts are only available in the free edition. Also, you can use plugins and GPTs. So finally, the cost is free. Now, let's do it in practical. For this, first we will go to copilotmicrosoft.com and sign in. If you already have Microsoft account, Hotmail or Outlook, you can log in directly. If you don't have, click in create one, give your any available email accounts and you can use it here. Else, click get a new email address and create new Microsoft Hotmail or Outlook account and use for login. Once you create the account and after login, you will open a new tab. Please make sure you sign in again from the top left corner. Then click Copilot in top right side icon. If you already sign in, you will see this prompt. Let's search something in Copilot and see how it's responds. We will ask Copilot about top 5 Intel processors. See, the search results are ready. It search and give us the 5 top options. If we need more details about a specific topic from the provided search result, we can copy and ask for more details. How easy is it? How much time we save? Let's begin to create pictures. Give your imaginary concept and hit enter. Tada! Picture is ready. It is powered by DAL E3. You can export directly from there in 3 options, or you can download each pictures directly clicking one of them. I use one of these pictures as base to create thumbnail for this video. How beautiful is it? According to your creativity, you can create beautiful pictures. Now let's ask Copilot to support for programming. I ask Copilot to give the programming language about a function that returns the sum of two numbers. Copilot provides us 3 different programming language options: Python, C, and Java. Excellent, is it? Another interesting part of this video. Let's create a song with lyrics. It will be good. What do you think? For this, we will go copilotmicrosoft.com or Bing Copilot search. Then we will activate the Suno plugins from the right side plugin area. Now type the required words and hit enter. Wow, lyrics is ready. Let us wait and hear the song.
In this digital dream, when melodies unfold, Microsoft Copilot composing stories untold. Silicon whispers in a language of code, creating harmony as our minds are consoled. Synaptic symphony, weaving through the wires, unlock the future with technology inspired. Together we'll explore. With each line we write, Microsoft Copilot guiding us through the night.
I like it. What about you? Copilot available for mobile? The answer is yes. You can scan the following QR code to get the mobile app. Let us explore most used 3 Copilots. First one is Copilot and it's free. This was what we explained till now. The second one is Copilot Pro. Monthly cost of this is $20. This is for personal use and it removes the free version's limitations. The third one is Copilot for Microsoft 365. Monthly cost of this is $30. This one is famous now in business use cases. Paid version of Copilots add additional functionality and breaks the limitations of free versions of Copilots. The main difference between Copilot and Copilot Pro is give you priority access in peak times, faster image creation with up to 100 boards, adding more capabilities in Office products including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. For business version of Copilot for Microsoft 365, add additional functionality in Microsoft Teams. Enterprises grade data protection, customization and extensibility through Microsoft Copilot Studio. Let us check data privacy and data protection. One of the data privacy which Microsoft applied in Copilot for Work and Business is commercial data protection, which means Microsoft doesn't retain your prompts or response or use it to train the underlying AI model. That means Microsoft not using your business data to train their LLM outside the business. LLM means large language models. Commercial data protection applies only when users are signed into their work account using their organization's Microsoft Entra ID. Here I give one sample picture which will give you an understanding the difference between the personal and work Copilot. In the Copilot web page, if it's give you protected indication, that means you are using work account. Let us summarize some benefits of Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. If you already purchased Copilot for Microsoft 365, you will find the icon like this in your each Microsoft product menu. You can click and it will open a chat window in your Microsoft products and you can start explore. The three benefits of Copilot in Word. You can utilize Copilot to create a proposal based on an internal document and your OneNote customer note. You can get a draft from Copilot in the format that you usually use. It will also offer recommendation to improve the proposal, such include a FAQ that it will create and provide for you to edit. As an example, Copilot in Excel, we will apply one scenario. You can ask Copilot to review the production figures for this quarter. You can ask Copilot to analyze the data and identify three major themes for you. You will get this within a matter of seconds. You can drill down and you can ask more details about one pattern. Copilot will generate one new sheet providing you more details about your query. Also, you can ask Copilot which specific factor decreased the production in a specific time. Copilot will provide these details in one new page by adding colors. Even you can ask the details to provide in graphs and you will get it. How helpful is it? Copilot in PowerPoint. Most of the time, you have an idea about one presentation and not able to create that presentation exactly what you like. Now with the help of Copilot in PowerPoint, you can create within a short time and you can edit and pitch any meeting. Also, you can convert this presentation into Word and vice versa. Copilot in PowerPoint is your designer. Not only this, Copilot in PowerPoint will create a speaker notes for you. How interesting is it? Copilot in Outlook. You can track emails, you can draft emails for a specific subject, you can get the information of a group email within a second which was forwarded 100 times and you are added now in that communication. Reading all these emails will be always hard. Copilot offers mobile assistance with Outlook. Copilot can pull the data from Excel and it can support you to prepare an email and more. Copilot in Teams. If you are not able to join a meeting or join late, you can ask Copilot to provide overview of that meeting. You can request to summarize any meeting with the help of it. In case if anybody mention you in that meeting, you can directly navigate that session with the help of it. Also, you can ask Copilot about unanswered questions. Let's explore some features about Microsoft Security Copilot. It enables security teams to respond to incidents in minutes instead of hours or days. It provides real-time threat hunting, incident response, posture management, and intelligence gathering. It integrates across Microsoft Security, identity, and compliance experience to deliver greater end-to-end value. It empowers junior staff through step-by-step guidance and elevates time-consuming tasks for senior staff. Post-related details are not available about Microsoft Security Copilot in Microsoft site, and they mention they are currently an invitation-only early access program for Security Copilot. It automates many tasks such as analyzing logs for potential security threats, summarizing security incidents, extracting key information from data, automating incident response, and providing actionable recommendations. In summary, Microsoft Copilot Security leverages advanced AI technology to enhance the capabilities of security professionals, helping them to detect and respond to security breaches more effectively and efficiently. Microsoft Copilot Studio offers several benefits. It allows you to extend Microsoft Copilot and build your own Copilot. You can customize existing generative AI experience across a range of Microsoft 365 environment. Users can develop and publish dedicated custom Copilots for their organization. It provides a platform for deploying, sharing, and scaling your custom Copilots. It can answer routine questions, resolve common issues, or automate tasks that take up valuable customer or employee time. About the cost, it is $200 per month. Usually, creating a Copilot is traditionally a complex and time intensive process, but Copilot Studio simplifies this process. In summary, Microsoft Copilot Studio is a powerful tool that enhances productivity, simplifies customization, and optimizes workflow. Let us do one practical scenario to summarize all Copilot cost and export it in Excel through Copilot. Here I give all the famous Copilot assistance details and request it to provide the cost in rows and columns. Let us see how it summarizes. Oh, amazing. See how it's preparing the details? Also, we have option to export the result in Excel. How simple and how much time we save. Let us arrange this. Here I added some more Copilot assistance details which is also famous and newly introduced. I highlighted the details in yellow and if you are interested or it's related to your day-to-day working area, you can ask Copilot to give you more information about the product. I hope everybody able to understand and also able to decide which Copilot is suitable for you and your business. In all this application, Copilot aims to enhance productivity and efficiency. It's a tool designed to assist in various tasks, from managing meetings and emails to creating presentations and analyzing data. It's like having a personal assistant that help you work smarter, not harder. I want to warn all of you one important point about the data which these assistants are providing to us. These data are not error free. We all need to remember these assistants are a training model and require more adjustments. Whether the result which you are getting from this assistance or any other assistance, you should re-verify before using or publishing it. Always make sure this. Also try to avoid any critical business or personal data to feed this assistance. Hi everyone. I hope you are enjoying the content so far. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up by hitting the like button. It's really helped me out and lets me know what kind of content you enjoy. If you think this video could be useful or entertaining to others, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. And lastly, if you want to stay up to date with my latest videos and content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you so much for your support and I look forward to bringing you more great content.